Buy an RC car with RC car.
What's up, man? Some Bitcoin. Covers all the RC cars. You just want one? Yeah. I'm gonna pick you up. Get you a little close. Okay. All right. Check it out. Check it out. We got Traxxas, Arma, Axial. We got some Locies. What are you thinking? The high tread. The TRX-4M, little guy. Yeah. 6x6, the haul. Yeah, he wants the haul. Okay. Hold on, actually, I got something. This town ain't big enough for the two of us. It's bigger than you. You ever need decal stickers, Will's Hobbies? All right, I'm gonna put you back down. Can you meet me in the corner? I have permission to touch you. All right. All right.
Yeah.